How to activate Kohl's credit card account online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be learning about activating your Kohl's credit card account online. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your preferred web browser and go to kohls.capital1.com and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will be landed in this kind of interface. And here on this page, if you already have an account with Capital One, you have to click on the sign in option, and if you do not, you can click on the set up my account in order to set up your new account with Capital One. So now click on the sign in option and you will land into the login portal. In this page, enter the correct form of your username followed by your password. And if you'd like this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your credentials, you can simply check this box of remember me, and you can simply sign into your account by clicking on the sign in button highlighted in green color. And in the case if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can go to this link of forgot username or your password. And as soon as you do that, in order to retry or reset your password, you have to enter your last name and your social security number followed by the correct form of your date of birth, and click on Find Me option in order to successfully reset or retry your password. And if you'd like to set up an online access to Capital One, you can click on this link over here. And once logged in, select the Activate Account option from the dashboard and enter your 3-digit security code and click on Activate. A notification will confirm your card is activated. So this was all about it. If you have any queries or questions, leave a comment, and do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with all these contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.